Hi there, my name is Jonathan Leeming. I'm a best-selling author and an award-winning conservationist and an international speaker. And I've been helping medical professionals, organizations, consulting for poison information helplines, as well as speaking and being a panel member at medical conferences for the past 15 years. And I'm Southern Africa's leading authority on spider bite and scorpion sting first response. Spiders and scorpions represent a bit of a conundrum to the human mind. Sure, there's some species out there that can cause us great harm and in rare cases even death. However, with so much misinformation out there, I think it's very difficult for the average person to get to grips with this fascinating subject and understand how to treat a spider bite and scorpion sting effectively. My spider bite and scorpion sting first aid workshop is a practical introduction to the fascinating subject of spider bite and scorpion sting first response. It's based on a framework which has got two objectives: how to reduce the chance of being bitten by a spider or stung by a scorpion. And if you are bitten by a spider or stung by a scorpion, how can you ensure the best possible outcome for bites and stings in humans and animals? The workshop starts with a bit of a discussion, and I'll be answering all your questions and covering everything you need to know about spider bites and scorpion stings. I've got some great visuals to show you, and these visuals are going to help you see the bigger picture and fast track your understanding of this subject. Afterwards, we're going to have a short interactive workshop that will teach you the 4 factors that influence symptom severity and how these factors impact the outcome of a bite or a sting. Then finally, we'll have a short walk in search of spiders and scorpions, and we'll focus upon the natural history and practical aspects of these fascinating creatures. To find out when the next spider and scorpion first aid workshop is being held, then go to www.scorpions.co.za/events. You'll find links to online bookings and you'll find further information. If you've got your own group, or if you'd like to organize an event for your organization, then drop me an email at info@jonathanleeming.com and let's make it happen.